Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Printify with Etsy. So after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to set up your own print-on-demand store using Printify and Etsy. Printify makes it easy for us to create our custom t-shirt or hoodie or whatever item you want to brand. For example, you can brand a teddy bear, as you can see right here, teddy bear with t-shirt, or you can create your own hoodie. All you'll need to do is simply upload your logo or your design, and they'll put it on whatever item you require, and then they'll do the shipping. So all you have to do is simply upload the logo or design and have the traffic, or better yet the customers, and Printify will deal with the customer service, the printing of the t-shirts or hoodie or cups or whatsoever, and also the shipping of the products. And all you'll have to do is simply lay back and collect your money. That's it. So let's get started on how you can do this. Once on Printify, you can sign up with your email address and quickly create a password. After doing that, what I want you to do is go onto Etsy. Once on Etsy, all you'll need to do is go over to clothing and shoes, and from here you can select the category that you'd like to go in. So for example, if you were to go into women's and then select tops and tees, you can see some example right here of persons that are currently doing print on demand on Etsy, and they are making a lot of money. I selected this example for the video, and you can see how it looks right here. And you can also see that there are some persons that all they require is that you send in the words that you would like to add onto your t-shirt or your hoodie, and they'll be able to put it on it. That is the perfect example of using Printify and Etsy. As you can see right here, your custom text right here. So all you'll have to do is set up a Etsy store just like this, and then you'll put a mock-up just like this right here, and once persons send in their custom text, you'll be able to add it to the hoodie or t-shirt, whatever they require. But first thing you want to do, sign up with Printify, then you're going to create an account with Etsy. After you have done that, you're going to go back onto Printify, and from here you're going to select My Store in the top right hand corner. After selecting My Store, you're going to tap on Add New Store. Then you're going to select Etsy. So you'll tap on Etsy right here, choose a sale channel. After selecting Etsy, just give it a few seconds to load up. From here, you're going to quickly sign in. Okay, once you have connected your Etsy store to Printify, what I want you to do next is select My Products from the top menu option. Once you have selected My Products, you are going to be led to this dashboard, and from here I want you to scroll down, then select Browse Products. And from here, you will make the decision whether you want to upload your design to t-shirts, hoodies, or this item right here, the teddy bear t-shirt, for example. For this example, I'll select t-shirt. After you have selected the t-shirt, you can scroll down and you can see the different options and colors and so on. And to get started, all you'll have to do is tap on Start Designing. Once you have selected Start Designing, for example, if you had created an Etsy store just like this and you want to do the print on demand, just like the person that was asking for the hoodie with words, all you'll have to do once on this page, you'll simply request the custom text. So whenever someone sends in custom text, you'll simply tap on custom text right here, and then you'll be able to add the custom text, or you could quickly upload it by simply tapping on My Device, and you'll be able to upload their design. But for this example, we'll be using Canva. So with Canva, you'll be able to sign up for free, and you can also create t-shirt designs quite easily. All you'll have to do is simply tap in the search bar, and from here you could type in t-shirt, and you will see right here retro t-shirt. Let's select that for example, And after selecting it, you will see numerous templates that can give you some inspiration on how you can create your particular design. So all you'll have to do is quickly scroll down. Then from here, anyone that you see with the Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber of Canva to use it. But for this example, I'll use this one right here. Then tap on Customize this template, as you are going to add your own personal touch. After selecting Customize this template, you can change the text. So you could simply tap on the text section right here, and you can change the text. So for this example, I'll quickly type in, and you can see how it will look right there, Rastaman. And you can also change the color right here if you want. So you could change the font color. So let's say I want to change the font color. I could tap on the capital A, and after tapping on the capital A, you'll be able to change the color. So let's say I want to change it to red, and then this one, change it to green. You can see it right there. And you can also change the image after you have created your design. And by the way, with Canva, they are very helpful. So you can go over to the left hand menu option, and you could select elements, and you could search for whatever element you want. And by elements, I mean images or so on. So let's say I wanted to add something more, like for example, let's say a lion. I could simply type in lion right here. Then tap on search. Then you can see the different images of lions. So I could simply tap on this image right here. Then let's make it smaller. So I could add a lion to this logo, or better yet to this design, as you can see right here. After you're finished creating your design, what I want you to do next is tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select download. After selecting download, what I want you to do next, you're going to select transparent background, and you're going to tap on download. And by the way, if you don't see or have the transparent background option, because this more than likely will only be available with the Pro Canva plan, what I would recommend you do is quickly go onto your browser and type in remove BG. After selecting remove BG, all you'll have to do is just download this image just like regular, and then you're going to upload it on this website, and you'll be able to remove the background. The reason why we are removing the background is, remember that we are going to be uploading it to our design right here. So what we want to do, let me select the requirements, and by the way, you can see the requirements right here, JPN or PNG, and you can also see the print area size is 4500 by 5100 px. So let me select the size right here, 4500. Let me carry it up to 4500 so that it looks optimum. So I'll scroll up. Then I'll tap on download. And once the image has been downloaded, we are going to be adding it to Printify. So the image has now been downloaded, so we'll go back to Printify. And from here we are going to simply drag and paste the image, and just give it a few seconds to upload. And you can see it right there. And after you have done this, all you'll have to do is simply scroll down, and you could select Save Design. And you can see right here, from here you'll be able to select the sizes that you'd like to sell, and you can also select the colors, and you can see the estimated price and how much profit you'll be able to make. And by the way, you can increase the price if you want, or you can stay with the price that they suggest. and you can also edit the title, and you can also edit the description. And if you want, you can add a size table to the description, as you can see right there, and you can see how it will look right there. And all you have to do now is simply tap on the sizes that you want. So I'll select the sizes, then you'll tap on save as draft, and you can see right there 1 out of 7 out of stock. And right where you see unpublish, I'm going to tap on that, as I would like to publish it. You're going to tap on connect a store at the bottom right here. So I'll tap on connect, then tap on Etsy again, as I want to publish them. So you can see right here your Printify store is already connected. So you'll simply connect it right there, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. And by the way, you can also create the t-shirt mockups that you see persons use right here for their display on Etsy. You can create that also on Canva by simply going back into Canva, and again in the search bar you'll simply type in t-shirt mockup. So you can type in t-shirt mockup real quick. Let me do that. As you can see right here, t-shirt mockup, and you could select t-shirt and you'll be able to create the mockup to upload to Etsy. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.